And when you can't figure out how to get out of the back door, like you're retarded. Or hey, why can't I get out your fucking door, bruh? Oh, it's the kid lock. Cause I sat in the kid spot. Thanks, Jay. Thanks, bro. See, when you can't get out the fucking door, the disrespect out of that motherfucker. The disrespect is fucking bad.
You got the space you needed.
The disrespect did not leave. I sat on the other side and got fucked because of it. Fucking new tripod, new attitude, man.
There you go, dude. That's all it takes sometimes. Something little
saucy.
Tripod to make.
Look at that. Why are you guys so saucy?
It's cold.
Why you got such a big drink, Jay?
Because
should have told me. I'd have gave you a can.
I didn't have cans.
I'd have brought a cup, motherfucker.
Brought a cup for you.
Fuck both of you guys. How's that? Look at the news. Even charge some news for today, dude. You know, it's old 1300.
I think the weight to power
ratio,
you know what I mean? Yeah, I think it's good. I don't think it's a problem.
But I don't use as many banana peels as you, so it's probably going to affect.
You know, I don't think about these things sometimes.
Yeah, it's probably going to take overall less banana peels, I think. I don't know.
Nice.
Yeah, we're looking good though.
Yeah.
We get a little wrench here, you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, get in there.
Yeah, you gotta reach deep in this crevice right here. Get it, you know what I'm saying? Deep in our steeds.
Oh shit.
Deep in our steeds, bud.
Jam, bro. Ram. My hand's cold as shit, bro. Hands going down my pants for a second.
Oh, bro, slow down.
Left hand is cold as shit. I'm gonna hide right here. Yeah, people are gonna think we're real fucking weird.
They're like, I told you those drone guys are weird. I knew there was something fucking up with these guys.
There's your boy. Oh, that's how people die. And people die.
Hey, dude, yeah.
The neighbors, you guys don't get respect. All right, hands are going back up. There's just cool guys pulling into his parking lot. Into his driveway. Which house does he live in? All of them?
We're down this flying fucking all over the place. This was arm, right? No, it's all back over there. Oh, yeah, right in the wood.
Disarm it.
It's about.
Creatures of my dreams raise up and dance with me. Now and forever, I'm your